little alcohol wipe. Looking pretty clean. I'll be putting top coat on tonight. Thanks for watching. I'll put another video up when I get her finished up.